truck's very freaking dirty. Chinga, we just washed it. Check out that black thing so it won't be full of dirt. That grid, wherever that is. So you gotta make sure that's clean.
You know, this is so our towels and stuff don't get.
Yeah, rinse clean off good. You need like a towel or something to clean it because that skin's stuck. Clear it up. This stuff from Ross, $5.99. See if it's any good. Wash and wax. I got it. Saw that mud off.
Oh, look at.
Wow. Super dirty, right?
Yeah.
It's gonna be hard. Don't be scared of taking off the paint. It's a work truck anyways. There's a red bird right there, a cardinal. Yes, sir. Pretty good, pretty good. That's a huge difference, right? Look how it was before, after. Go ahead, buddy. Go ahead, go ahead. Throw it up there. Get the windshield too, no? No, you gotta scrub the you gotta, I don't know, it's like a, but scrub the front really good because the bugs get stuck right there. Scrub it hard. Rinse that, just use it with your hand. Oh, where's that sponge that grandma gave you? The SpongeBob looking thing.
Wait, is it okay that I get dirty, right?
Hmm?
It's okay that I get dirty?
It's alright. You get washed off like the truck is right now. Get a little dirty. Yeah, no, the paint's chipping, but it's fine. What? Ready? It smell like tacos? You're probably just hungry, no? Huh? I know, you never eat. Oh, you eat Takis, though? Takis, hot Cheetos. What else? Peanut butter and jelly sandwiches.
I don't even eat those.
I saw you eat one yesterday.
Okay,
Or was I just...
One. Yeah.
That's the first one you ever had in your life?
No, but...
Oh, okay.
One I had in like years.
Go ahead, go ahead.
I had one of those.
I know, because those are actually good for you. Peanut butter is good for you.
You know,
You can take that. Damn, looking a lot better now. Mm-hmm. Look, get the window. See how it's already drying? Yeah.
It looks like droplets.
Oh, that's how they painted it. Like it came out a little messed up. Clean out the headlights. My guy, so we can see at night. Yeah, this paint's actually like bed liner paint. You know, like the stuff they have in the back, in the bed, the black stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, that.
Is that good or bad?
Huh?
Is that good or bad?
That's good. Well, I mean, the paint's not the best, but it lasts a long time. Then they put like clear coat over. They put that thing in there for cause of fire. There you go. Throw it in there like that. All right, beautiful.
I need to spin it.
They're actually floaters. They float. When you're driving, they don't move. So you could always read it, what it says.
Wow, what is it?
It's just a floating cap. And I got that oily stuff I had on there.
I think that's the smell.
Think so? Nah, you know what the smell was?
What?
It was that burning, whatever they were burning over here. Some sandpaper. When we go over there? Yeah, we're gonna sand this. We're gonna sand all this down, get it ready. We're gonna sand the whole truck. Go ahead, you ready to finish all of them?
No.
Damn, Sonic.
That one's dirty. Look.
All right. No, you can't use a spray on those. Yeah, those are not chrome. Those are forged or billet or whatever you call those.
Is that good?
Huh?
Is that good?
What's good?
The forge?
Yeah, they're like better, stronger rims. They won't crack. You can polish them, make them look like brand new.
Wait, chrome?
Chromes are cheaper. They're coated.
They crack? They crack?
Yeah, they crack. Where did Lewis go?
I don't know. It's his homeboys.
His homeboys, right?
His boyfriend.
His boyfriends?
Mm-hmm.
No Diddy?
No Diddy. No, for him, yes Diddy. For me, no Diddy.
For him, yes Diddy.
Yes.
Whenever we have time, we'll take these to get polished.
Oh, that looks fire.
Like they like sand them and then they use like a gun to polish them. Like trust me, they'll be super shiny.
Like that spinning thing?
Yeah, like I have one of those, that gun with that little pad, and they put like a compound or whatever, like a, it's just lug nuts to hold the tire.
Oh, it just look like.
Nah, blow it off, no Diddy. Use some of these. Make sure you get the top too. There you go, like that, yeah. You see all those water droplets in the middle? Get all those off. Because if that dries, it's gonna leave like a stain. Around the spike lug nuts. All that right there, see all the water? Look, see this right? Why is it making that noise? What the hell?
Not supposed to be like that?
No, I just bought these. Well, yeah, it's less than a year old. Right? You hate doing hard stuff. No Diddy. Okay, sorry.
Yeah, son of a gun. This
is the good stuff, right?
Yeah,
you get this from the dollar store. This is my favorite one too.
like when I was doing
It's cheap too.
this, and then you told me to do this, and then you told me to do the roof, and I could have done it all over.
Yeah. I'm trying to do it step by step so you can learn. All right. Then you spray this on there, and that way, and then you just go around the tire. So that way, when you spray it, it doesn't get on the rims.
Like
Yeah, you just go around.
spray it.
Yeah, but clean it off first. Dust it off.
Sponsored, not sponsored. So much mosquitoes.
Yeah, you can already tell. Look at this one compared to that one. That tire shine really makes it Look like clean, like brand new. And actually, this is a brand new tire. This is the one I got 2 weeks ago. Remember? Remember they had a big old ball right here, like a football.
Oh yeah.
Remember? It was riding all stupid. It's brand new. All right. Yeah, they're shiny now.
Dirty my pencil.
Is that right?
Uh-huh. Oh, dang, yeah. Look at all that debris from our shoe. That's from our shoes, right?
Huh?
Because we always step on that thing.
Yeah, some of the sand.
And when are we gonna work on this truck? Coming soon, coming soon. Right, Dad? That one's coming soon?
LED plate lights. Yeah, we're gonna give these to Lewis because he's missing them.
Because he wants to upgrade.
Yeah, he wants to upgrade, but we're gonna get the real upgrade. We're gonna hook up these. So go underneath here. There should be like a plug. You see with these plugs right here?
Mm-hmm.
This plug plugs in tire.
Ow.
Man, watch out. Big ass head. Let me see.
Oh, I see it.
Which one is it?
Is it like right here?
Oh. Okay, pull that one out. And then, hold on, let me undo it. Take off that light.
This thing?
Yeah.
How do you do it?
Damn.
You got a
Damn, this thing's on there. The shirt method. See how it has those two? See how that has that too?
Oh, yeah.
So you plug it in there. Plug that in there.
Oh, this? Okay.
All right. Now the other one. Just pull the plastic out. And spin it. Turn it. One way. There you go. I'll pull that light out. There you go. Shirt method.
My shirt's wet.
Should have more grip. Oh, Lewis is inside.
Oh.
Yeah, he didn't even go. He's in there being all pretty. Being a princess. Ah. Go.
You okay?
Yes, sir, Mr. Sir. Let me put this. All right. Stay right here. Let me know if they turn on. If they don't turn on, that means we have them backwards. So we'll just flip them. If one turns, just tell me which one turns on, or another one do, or what.
They turned on.
Both of them?
Yeah. One. They're like red on top too.
Oh, cool. So this one. Oh, they go like this. Look, with the red sticking out. Yeah. First, you see this little clip right here? Mm-hmm. That clip
Goes in first.
it goes in first. Yeah. You slide it in, and then you pop it in. Slide it in. Yeah, slide that in. Then pop it in.
Pop it in.
There you go.
Whoa, that was
Sheesh, damn, that looks badass. And it matches the lights. Look, the LED got hooked up. Bro. Remember we made that one, Isaac?
Yeah. Oh, that's if we had started YouTube, we that was
Oh,
really a good
yeah, when we made it, right?
Yeah, that was a good project.
That was cool. We went to go get the paints. We got all the colors.
We get the lights.
Where
Where did you see that? It was on
Nah, it was an idea we had. Like, hey, we should make a sign up.
for my birthday.
Yeah, oh yeah, because it was your birthday. We made a baseball theme.
Yeah.
And that lights up, like where it says Cubs win. At night we plug it in, and it lights up, right? Looks cool, right? With the LEDs.
Man, can we put that in our room?
Oh, you know what? Let's go install these for this butt muncher. I don't want him to break a nail or get his hands dirty. He may be for the pretty boy. This is my oldest son's truck. There's Tacuache.
Look, nothing.
This guy's like legit Tacuache. He's numero 500. He's number 500 Tacuache.
Who's number one?
Huh?
Who's number one?
I don't know, probably you.
Easy.
Easy peasy. All right, now plug this one in. These LEDs, those. Plug that one in. There you go. Perfect. Now put one over here. This one don't even have it, right?
No. What the heck?
Bro, what, did he get robbed?
Bros.
Did somebody? Oh, you're putting grass in there, buddy. She's gonna burn. They're just missing.
Did it have them before?
I don't know if it did. It probably already burned out. We need to get a new one. There you go. Just need to put the. I bet that's gonna be hard to get off. Hold on. Let me try the lights. Let me know if you can. Here, go ask him for the keys. I think you need the keys for this one. This time we're testing the lights because we're putting the new lights in his truck. Tell him not to worry about it, not to get his hands dirty, okay? I don't know, he has a tow hitch, so she don't tow nothing. You try your lights? We're gonna test these lights out we put on the LEDs.
You know what's gonna be a big project?
What the hell? You came back with a top. But,
oh, I forgot. A starlight. Starlights.
Oh, yeah. We're gonna probably put starlights in this one. Hold this?
Backwards?
Maybe. Did we get both of them or they don't even work maybe? Maybe the... Oh, look. That was good. This one's backwards. Yeah, this is the one that was hard. Oh, this one doesn't work. It's burned out. We have to get a new plug. When we go to the junkyard, get a new plug. You didn't even have these?
I didn't?
We were saying maybe you got robbed. Maybe somebody stole them, right? They were just completely missing.
Yeah. And it's kind of like sticking out.
Yeah, the thing was just sticking out.
So that one's messed up then?
It's probably burned out. We need to get a new this because you can tell it's black right there.
Yeah.
It got burned out. All right, princess. That's all we needed from you, princess. So we got one going. We have to go when we visit junker. We're getting a new, let's call it a pigtail. Yeah, it's pretty good right there. All right, now press on it hard. You need like a credit card or something, or I need an ID. All right, now peel that paper back.
This one?
Yeah.
Slow?
Yeah, slow. Oh, freaking assholes.
You just sped up.
Yeah. Everybody moved out of the way when I was driving.
Why?
Because I have a big ass truck. They ain't trying to ram me. Not with you. Cool, dude. Alright, gang, it's gonna wrap it up for today. Wash the truck. Got a little bit of stuff done today, but it's a Sunday, so we're gonna go enjoy it. These kids trying to go out, you know, they trying to be trapped in the ranch. So we'll see what's up. Well, catch you back on the next one, guys.